Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at VGA cables. VGA is a video-only signal, meaning no audio. Unfortunately, VGA is slightly outdated due to HDMI, but it's still very widely used and provides great signal strength. This is our premium line of VGA cables. They feature gold-plated contacts, double-shielded twisted pairs, and ferrite beads for maximum signal strength. The ferrite beads filter out electrical interference, allowing for excellent signal strength up to 150 feet. Our cables are made using true 15-pin connection, offering the full capabilities that VGA has to offer. They are available in lengths ranging from 3 feet to 150 feet, and in both male-to-male and male-to-female orientations. Hopefully this has answered any questions you may have had on VGA cables. If you're still having trouble or have any questions that weren't answered here, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.